Hello, my name is Rebbie Davis, and I am a graduating senior, honors English major, philosophy minor from University of Chicago, and I currently attend Howard University. I'm here on behalf of Unerased Black Women Speak to ask people this very important question. When we're talking about claiming our space as an important key to preserving our future, for the holiday and the approaching New Year, how will you pour joy into your space?
I am Lydia Mesfin, a sophomore criminology major, legal communications minor from Shakopee, Minnesota. And I plan on leaning on my support system and looking to the people that care about me to bring joy into my life during the holiday season.
Hello, my name is Nasa Ajwer. I'm a junior political science major, philosophy and secondary education minors at Howard University. I plan on bringing joy by just reminding Black women of who they are and all their contributions to various spaces in the world that make the world what it is today.
Hi, my name is Naomi Turner. I'm a junior English major, communications minor, and I'm from Syracuse, New York. I like to pour back into myself just by taking time by myself at home, maybe watching a movie, like, eating a sweet treat, nothing too crazy. Hi, my name is RJ Marshall, and I'm a senior public relations major, sociology minor from Utah Valley, Georgia. And I plan on pouring back into myself by doing absolutely nothing for anybody else. I need to take care of myself instead of doing what is expected of Black women, which is taking care of everybody else around you.